out here making it happen.
Day 3.
We don't know where we're going, but Palau is on the move. Nale, we trust in her directional instincts.
Guys, I'm really bad with directions.
So here's the thing, if you see this video uploaded, you know we made it. So keep watching the video, all right? Wish us luck.
If it's not uploaded, Mom and Dad will miss you.
Don't ask, don't tell. More barren than Berrien Springs.
Is it really?
This is. The fact that you had to ask.
Can you see the crack on my screen?
I sure can. Spiders.
Say it's filtered.
Spiders.
We're living on college funds, man.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
$500 for that? No.
No, that's the thing. Like, windshields are too expensive to replace.
The tumbleweed?
Yeah, I missed it. I wanted to get it rolling across.
It's like real road.
Is it just me? Is it just me, or is like are you guys like ears getting like a little pressure?
I felt a little bit.
Every time we go up, every time we go up elevator, my ears get.
The schools.
Oh, both schools.
Yeah, I would go into SDA and teach Bible.
Right. You were like.
And I was their chaplain too.
I remember that.
It was tough.
I don't understand how this is so.
How it's so narrow?
Yeah.
Be glad there's no other cars.
Oh yeah. That just tripping me out.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Don't look at it.
I'm
About to drive us off this bridge.
Ah!
There better be a sign for like no trucks allowed through this thing.
Yeah, they probably got to go another way.
That's true. Oh, what's that down there?
It's just a
There's like a barrier or something. I'm wondering if it's like for like December. It looked like mid-December. Bro, I was like scratching my head like, yo, this is not real, dude. It's crazy.
Different world.
He said it was gonna snow. Yeah, it was like sunshine and like the day so good. Went from wearing shirt and shorts to freaking backpack hat.
How do I avoid this?
Just go. It's not wet.
I just don't want to go through that part. I know it.
It's alright,
This is Palau's road.
It's alright. You're at enough mileage to get free tire switches, so you're good.
Another hill.
It's a hill.
Well, at least here. Because I wanted a couple of friends to get their tires changed, and I asked a question. Well, what kind of like rewards or like things you offer in terms of like how much you're.
Rattlesnake area. Here we go.
No, I've definitely heard one already, and I've seen the tail. But
I have to stomp on that mug.
I haven't seen like.
Name of the place?
Palouse Falls.
Palouse.
Palouse.
Palouse Falls State Park. Welcome.
What was that?
Welcome.
State park, that's probably.
Where is it?
No, that's probably.
Focus on that, John. Oh, you missed it.
There's an access fee.
I can't.
What does that mean if you don't have a pass?
How does this work? Do we park?
Yeah, there's a pay station right. We made it here.
Literally out here.
Yo, we out here. Palouse. What's it called? Palouse Fall? Palouse. In the path of cataclysmic floods.
Rattlesnakes. Hopefully we can come by one.
That's it right there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta get the drone in on this.
Oh, it's us.
Out here, it's kind of cold. These guys are not playing around. Whatever it takes. That'll work.
I like how you have two. Yeah, I've got two for both of them.
kind of cold out here.
It's so good, Holly, 'cause I'm blocking my ears. I'm blocking my ears.
We look like we're on some kind of pilgrimage or something, man. It's the Oregon Trail.
Oh my God. Wait till we get it right. Rattlesnake.
Woo!
I know, right?
Hey, people have died here. We want you to live. Stay back from the cliff, guys. Nale, you already tried to walk off one.
That's deceiving, man.
Yeah, that's pretty dope. And even these things, those are like standing up.
I know.
I thought it was part of the wall.
Yeah.
Lost Reese, but
Couldn't take it no more.
he's out there. Can I point at him now? See that little. He's out there. He said I had enough. This was dope. We out here, waterfall in the building. Palouse.
God's own
Palouse in these
creation.
streets. God lighting it up. That's what I'm talking about, man. The West, man.
That's what's up.
Hey, you know what I see if I drive an hour away from Andrews? Nothing.
And I had to go sit at the back or like move my seat because I couldn't sit there anymore.
Yeah, chicken. That's what I'm talking about.
That was funny. When he hit a chicken, I was like, what the heck just happened?
We out here. Last few moments in Walla Walla. It's been dope. You'll get to see most of the vlog and whatever it ends up with. There's a lot of stuff I didn't record. Forgot to. Just enjoying the moment. But yeah, man, it's been a vibe. I'll be back for sure. I like it out here. It's cold, but I think it's 11 degrees right now. But it's a different kind of cold than it is in Michigan. Maybe blue skies, a little bit of sun action. Maybe that's what it is. I tell you, if you got a little bit of light in you, you can do a whole lot. That might be a little less in there too. So hey, it's Above Missionary. Thanks for tuning into this vlog. If you made it this far, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell so you don't miss any new mission content, because this next video is about to be a banger. Until next week, till this next flight, we out here and we out. Peace. We out here, we out. So subscribe, like, share.